Holla! It's a fucking movie! Zimmerly sits in the front seat of the CopCar for once. Woo! Niggy in the back, that's our cameraman right here. That's Niggy.
Holla. For $1.
I'm the fucking driver. PBR, bitch.
Whoa, we didn't look at that. We didn't see that. We're not filming that.
We're on private property.
Private articulation.
Oh no.
Alright,
So,
cruising, dude.
So how many times a day do you arrest a perpetrator?
We only pull people over to take their marijuana.
Okay.
The only reason.
So what do we do?
Can I help you?
Do we smoke it, or do we turn it into contraband?
Oh.
Probably a little bit of both. Oh, we're gonna do smoky amaretto.
Here we go.
Hey, unlock me the back window so I can.
That's prisoner.
Okay, roll down that 20. Roll down that 20. Oh, we got 45. Let's see this rogue show, bud. Want some tire fire? Dude, you should just stay there and just rogue them like it's smoky. I just fucking threw it down in the wheel well and it just started roking. Oh shit. Fuck cops. We fucking got our own perpetrations going on. So how long does it take you to take down a perp? Hey, get it down there, dude. Hey, throw it down and I'll fucking... I got the wheel right here. Yeah, dude, that was a tight video. Through the bushes. Hey, you gonna smoothie them, Zim? You gonna do gravel time? Oh my god.
It's all farmland.
What? Cops just got called. There's Orchid. That's not Orchid. It's her. There's Orchid.
Just trying to have a little fun on Mother's Day.
What did you do with Sarah?
There's Chloe. Happy Mother's Day.
Underneath the car this time.
Great, can you buy it?
You guys are on video. Well, no, I mean, do something funny.
It's not a funny
Besides
time.
whining.
It's not a funny time for them right now, Rick.
Uh-oh. Holla.
Niggy wants a public painting. Yeah, dude. You got all the women
Get
asking
down on
about that.
camera!
It's still recording.
Can't do